Hi, and I hope you're all doing well. As you know, we live here in the Philippines, and our city and locality. Uh, Hi, I hope you're all doing well. As you know, we live here in the Philippines, and our city or municipality is prone to power outages and typhoons. So, with that, it is wise to prepare for such events and such as power outages. So it would be wise if we have a tool with us in our house. So today we will be looking at a flashlight, a very powerful flashlight from the company Vastfire. So let's wait no further and let's open it up. So this is the flashlight, and it's quite heavy from the outside. I wouldn't be surprised if this would turn out to be a huge flashlight. So this is the flashlight, and it has a lanyard as well as a charging cable. This one is a USB, a micro USB type of cable. Okay, so let's check the flashlight. The flashlight is made up of aluminum, and yes, it is quite heavy with some the body is also made up of aluminum, and the machining is very good. It has some knurlings in the body for a very good grip, and the switch button is right here with some indicators, and I believe that the charging port is here. It says it says output 5 volts, input. Let me quickly use my light source. So this is my trusty unboxing light that I use almost all the time, and let's see if there you go. So the light has been powered by the flashlight. It's like a flashlightception, a light within the light, or a light giving light to another light, if that's a thing. Anyway, wow. Looking at the flashlight again, it has a striking bezel, and with the company's branding, laser engraved, it says Vastfire with a serial number with it. And it is also zoomable. And let's see. I'm quite impressed with the materials used with this product, but I don't know how much this costs, so I can't give you the price to quality impression. But overall, this is an impressive flashlight. Let's just hope that the light output comes out to be impressive as well. Also, for the lumen output, I can't give you a lumen output because I don't have a device to measure, but we'll see. I'll go over the UI, and that's it. Wow, It is indeed zoomable. High, low, and strobe. So the flashlight is straightforward. I guess this could be used. This flashlight was intended for searching or hunting, but this can also be used for a house flashlight. When it comes to power outages, you have your handy power bank with you, and the flashlight has a striking bezel. In terms of rescue operations, you can still use this one. And later I'll be trying out the beam shots for this flashlight. Unfortunately, I can't explore much about this flashlight because it doesn't have a manual with it. I am impressed with this flashlight. I just don't know how much this costs, so I can't give you the price to the quality ratio. But overall, this is an impressive flashlight. Also, it has an auxiliary light right here. Just double click. It also has an auxiliary red light, red strobe, and the main light. This is actually a cool flashlight. If I were to give my comments or opinions or suggestion for the company Vastfire, they should make a handy version for this one. Even without the power bank option, they should give like maybe 5 inches of a flashlight with a main light and an auxiliary light like this one, because this is cool. Like, check this out. Double click for the auxiliary light, white light, low, red light, red strobe, turn it off, main light low, main light strobe, and there you go. So that's it for me, and I hope you like this video. And if you find this helpful, please consider giving a thumbs up. And if you don't, you may click the dislike button or give your comments or give your thoughts about my review. As for the price and where to get this product, I am putting everything else in the description. Anyway, stay safe and God bless everyone.